Have you ever stopped to think that maybe the problem isn't the cleaning itself, but the way you do it? A lot of people spend hours cleaning the house, and in the end, it still looks messy. And worse, the next day, it feels like it didn't make any difference. I'm the facilitator, and today, I'm going to show you 10 habits that make you waste time cleaning without realizing it. And if you do even half of them, that's why you're always tired and feel like you're constantly cleaning but never done. Let's get straight to the point. Habit number 1, wanting to clean everything at once. This is the classic mistake of people who think cleaning only counts if it's a marathon. The problem is that it leaves you exhausted before you even finish. You start in the kitchen, go to the living room, remember the bathroom, get distracted, and start folding clothes. Result: nothing is actually clean. The secret is to break it down. Good cleaning is done in sections. Choose one room and finish it before moving on to the next. Cleaning isn't a workout, it's maintenance. And if you're one of those people who sets aside the entire Saturday to clean the house, maybe it's time to rethink. Could it be that's exactly why you hate cleaning? Habit number 2, reorganizing everything every time you clean. Some people don't clean, they move. They take everything out of place, start rethinking the decor, swap objects around, and after 3 hours, everything's still out of place. That's a waste of time and energy. Organization is one thing, cleaning is another. You don't need to redesign the whole house just to wipe the floor, clean with everything in its place, and leave the rearranging for another moment. Habit number 3, leaving cleaning products scattered around the house. Have you noticed how much time you waste just walking back and forth to grab what's missing? The cloth is in the kitchen, the disinfectant in the bathroom, the bucket in the laundry room, and you spend the whole day hiking around the house. Make a cleaning caddy or box with everything you use frequently. It's simple, but it completely changes the pace of cleaning. Want to save time? Centralize. Efficient cleaning is pure logistics. Habit number 4, cleaning in the wrong order. This is the kind of thing nobody teaches you, but it makes a huge difference. Some people sweep after mopping, or clean the floor before dusting the furniture. The result is always the same. What you cleaned gets dirty again. The right order is always top to bottom, dry to wet, dust first, floor last. That's it. It sounds like a detail, but those who ignore it work twice as much without realizing. I've got some videos here that talk exactly about the right cleaning order. Totally worth checking out. Habit number 5, using the wrong product for each surface. That habit of cleaning everything with the same product is the biggest time waster disguised as convenience. The same cleaner that works on glass won't work on wood. And the dish soap you use on the sink can leave stains on the stove. Besides cleaning poorly, it creates extra work. Have fewer products, but the right ones. And forget about mixing them all, thinking it'll boost results. You're just creating a useless lab experiment and wasting more time cleaning up the mess later. Habit number 6, putting away clutter before cleaning. Some people, before even starting to clean, start gathering everything, papers, clothes, trinkets, keepsakes, and lose half an hour just deciding what to throw away. That's a hoarding habit disguised as organization. The right way is the opposite. Clean what's visibly dirty first and separate what needs to go later at another time. Mixing cleaning with decluttering is a recipe for taking 3 times longer. Tell me, how many times have you started cleaning and ended up sitting down reminiscing about the past? Exactly. Habit number 7, wanting to use 1,000 different cloths and sponges. You don't need a battle arsenal to clean a house. Some people have a cloth for glass, another for tables, another for the floor, one just for the bathroom, another just for dust, and they spend more time choosing cloths than cleaning. Simplify. Have a few good and clean ones. And don't fall for the trap of, this one's still clean enough. A dirty cloth only spreads dirt around. Same goes for sponges. If they're already deformed, throw them away. Habit number 8, waiting for dirt to pile up before cleaning everything at once. This might be the laziest one. And the most common, people let it pile up, and when they finally decide to clean, it's a war zone. What could have taken 15 minutes a day turns into 6 hours of torture. Light, consistent cleaning is what truly saves time. A quick wipe here, 5 minutes there, and your house never reaches disaster level. It's the same principle as the gym. A little every day is more effective than trying to make up for everything on Saturday. Habit number 9. Not having a minimal maintenance routine. If each day you clean one part of the house, it'll never look chaotic. But most people do the opposite. They wait for the mess to become chaos before acting. Then, cleaning feels like punishment. Create a short, automatic routine. Monday, kitchen. Tuesday, bathroom. Wednesday, living room. Simple things. That saves time, energy, and reduces that constant stress of looking around and thinking, I need to clean everything. No, you don't. You just need a system. Habit number 10. Trying to keep everything spotless all the time. This is the perfectionist trap, and it's the most exhausting of all. A house is for living, not for magazine covers. If you spend your day fluffing pillows, aligning towels, and wiping fingerprints off mirrors, you'll never rest. The point isn't to live in a dirty house, but to accept that a lived-in house shows signs of life. You want practicality, not obsession. Cleaning should serve your life, not the other way around. Now tell me, did you recognize yourself in any of these habits? Which one makes you waste the most time without realizing? Share in the comments. I bet you're not the only one, but let's go further. If you really want to save time, you need to understand why you repeat these habits. Most of them come from a mix of guilt and habit. We grow up watching our parents clean a certain way and assume it's the right way. But the world has changed. Life is busier, houses are smaller, time is shorter. Smart cleaning isn't about doing more, it's about doing better. Think about it. What's worse, cleaning the whole house and ending up exhausted, or keeping it clean with little effort every day? The problem is, most people have no method. They do it the way they learned, repeat what they saw, and don't even realize they're wasting hours. Want an example? That habit of letting cleaning products sit while you clean something else seems smart, but it's almost always a trap. You forget, the product dries, and you have to clean it all over again. There goes your saved time. Or the classic, cleaning with loud music and 1,000 distractions. Sounds fun, but in the end, you lose focus, take breaks, answer messages, and the cleaning that should take 1 hour takes 3. Efficient cleaning isn't about speed, it's about flow. It's about cutting unnecessary steps. It's about having what you need at hand in the right order without going back and forth. A good system is worth more than motivation. And maybe the biggest secret to saving time is accepting that organization and cleaning are two different things. An organized house gets dirty less, and a messy one gets dirty twice as fast. If you always need to clean too much, maybe the problem isn't dirt, it's clutter. How many useless objects do you clean every week for no reason? How many pieces of furniture are just taking up space? Sometimes, what's really wasting your time isn't cleaning. It's the amount of stuff you insist on keeping. The less you have, the less you clean. And don't think you can make up for it with miracle products. No cleaner will fix the mess that excess creates. Want to spend less time cleaning? Simplify your home. Simplifying is the real shortcut. In the end, smart cleaning is about behavior, not effort. It's knowing what to clean, when, and how. The rest is overkill. So next time you complain that cleaning takes too much work, ask yourself, maybe it's you who's making it harder than it needs to be? Because the truth is, cleaning doesn't steal your time. Your habits do.